Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do all the dirty work so you don't have to. And speaking of dirty work, today we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. We've got the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Tikom L8000. Let's see which one will suck up the competition. Alright, let's start with the price. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is priced at a whopping $869. That's right, folks. This thing costs more than my first car. On the other hand, the Tikom L8000 is a more wallet-friendly $399. So if you're looking to save some bucks, Tikom might already have vacuumed up some brownie points. Next, let's talk suction power. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts a mighty 4,200 pascal suction. This thing could probably vacuum up your lost hopes and dreams. Meanwhile, the Tikom L8000 has respectable 3,000 pascals. It's like comparing a vacuum cleaner to a black hole. Roborock wins this round, hands down. Both of these bad boys can vacuum and mop at the same time. Roborock has 30 water flow levels. That's more levels than I have emotions. Tikom, on the other hand, offers a simpler 3-level water output. So if you're indecisive and love having options, Roborock is your guy. If you prefer simplicity, Tikom's got your back. Now, let's navigate our way to navigation. The Roborock uses precise LiDAR navigation, which sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It creates precise maps of your home, and you can even view it in 3D. Tikom also has LiDAR navigation and can store up to 5 maps, perfect for those of us living in our multi-floor mansions. Honestly, both are pretty high-tech. But Roborock's 3D maps might just make you feel like Tony Stark. Battery life is crucial. Roborock offers a whopping 180 minutes of runtime, which is like 3 episodes of your favorite TV show. Tikom, on the other hand, gives you 150 minutes. Not too shabby either. Both will return to their charging stations when they're low on juice, but Tikom has that cool resume cleaning function. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a good memory. Roborock combines a 470 milliliters dust bin and a 350 milliliters water tank, making them both larger. Tikom's dust bin is 300 milliliters, and the water tank is 250 milliliters. So if you're lazy like me and hate emptying bins, Roborock wins this one by a landslide. Special features time. Roborock has an upgraded brush system that resists hair tangles, perfect for pet owners. Tikom offers 14 no-go zones and 20 virtual walls, which sounds like you're setting up a robot obstacle course. Both support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, Alexa, and Google Home, so you can boss them around with your voice. Reviewers on Amazon have had positive experiences with both products. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is praised for its powerful suction, smart navigation, and convenience despite its high price. On the other hand, the Tikom L8000 is lauded for being a budget-friendly, efficient, and quiet cleaning solution that exceeds expectations. So which one should you pick? If you've got money to burn and love high-tech features, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus is your guy. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, Tikom L8000 is a solid choice. Either way, your floors will be cleaner than your browsing history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which robot vacuum you think sucks the best and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart.